Hello, you don't need to be told that farming is a serious, lucrative business, and as such, serious investment need to go into it. If you are a serious farmer, you don't have to still depend on simple cutlasses and hoe. Nowadays, you have to invest in farm machinery and equipment, and this is the Dragon Master Soyabean PTO Thresher machine. So you can see for yourself, we are loading a customer's
Okay, so this is Jakwaku 66 Company Limited. We are in Kumasi, behind Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Yeah, this is one of our treasures called Dragon Master. The Dragon Master is for soya beans alone. Is over 5 tons per day. Sometimes it can give you almost about 100 sack of cocoa bag per an hour. It's a very sharp and then very efficient machine. We have come to a farm to thresh soya beans, so we are setting all the logistics to go and then thresh. If you need our contact, you can contact us on
0245 885280 or 02013649557.
System for across the northern region or the savannah areas. Now, having this thresher will aid you to expand our farms, because most often we have traditional fabricated ones which delays sometimes the whole day. You are not even able to thresh maybe about 2, 3 or 10 bags per day. And this one is giving you almost 100 bags per an hour, and this is a very actually great machine, and I recommend it for everybody who want to actually have it. This is a Dragon Master, and then it's a very actually complete machine. Thank you very much.
I'm an assembly member from SORGHUM electoral area. I am a farmer. I bought this thrasher to thrash my soya beans, and after I am thrashing for farmers who are desperately needing the service. In fact, this machine is very efficient. I can thrash the 100 kg, that is the cocoa sacks. I can thrash 100 bags per hour. In fact, this particular machine is very efficient. When you throw, you can even see the conveyor system. When you throw the soya beans there, it will throw it into the drum, and it has a cleaning system. And that cleaning system, it will clean the soya beans without any debris coming out.
Honorable Abdul Rahman, assembly member for Shrepone electoral area, is a serious farmer and a wise investor. He decided to get this Dragon Thresher machine. He has used it on his farm. After using it on his farm, he is serving other farmers that need his service. So in the first year of this purchase, he's going to break even. So the second year onwards, Honorable Abdul Rahman is just going to make profit. This is what we call a smart, serious investor. A smart, serious investor. So I recommend this Dragon Thresher machine to every serious soybean farmer that is doing it on a large scale, commercial basis. You cannot do without this. Just imagine 100 bags per hour. 100 bags per hour. This is uncomparable to the locally manufactured ones. This is uncomparable. That easily gets spoiled. This one is automatic.